Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's been a long time since I've uploaded. How many months? Like 10, maybe 9, 10 months? But we're back today with another video and we will be torture testing Amazon.com's cheapest pocket knives. Let's get right into it. First, we're gonna be throwing the knife off my roof onto that little X on the ground over there. So I have 3 angles. I've got my drone up there. We've got one over there so we can get a slow motion of when it hits the ground. And I've got the one I'm talking on right now, so let's do this. We are gonna be dropping them onto the ground open, so it's in the most realistic setup. I'm not gonna be doing blade down, just gonna toss it over the edge, just like this. So let's do this. All right, that didn't look good. I think I just saw the blade pop off. I think that one's wasted. All right, next one. Let's do it. All right, it's alive. Let's go. I think that first one broke. The second one's good. Last one, my favorite knife so far. I really hope it doesn't die. Place your bets down in the comments, guys. Will the Marine USA design knife die? Let's go. All right, dropping in 3, 2, 1. Let's go down there and survey the damage. Okay, so before we go and check on those knives, a quick word from our sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by me. Let's go check on the knives. All right, this is the first knife that we dropped right here. Oh no. What kind of setup is this? It's all glued together, guys. I would say that one's done. Rest in peace. All right, next one. Or maybe rest in pieces. Next one. Still looks good. Still closes. All right, that one's still in the game. Let's go. Put that one to the side. Now for my favorite one. Looks good. The blade is slightly messed up now. Might have hit on the blade. Okay, but otherwise, it's still good. Assist still works. Let's go. Alright guys, for our second test, we'll be doing 30 seconds in flames. I'm gonna drop the knife from about here, gonna let it fall in, and then I'm gonna try to retrieve it after 30 seconds. Okay guys, we're gonna be dropping this one in first, and then we'll be dropping in my favorite one. And let's see if any of them survive. I'm not really sure I'm gonna get it out yet. I guess I'll just use sticks or something. I'm just gonna drop it right on top. And we're on the count. 1, okay guys, sorry about that. My phone ran out of space, so I had to delete some stuff. And I didn't get to finish showing you what was happening to the knife, but there it is. It's not looking good. Let me see if I could move it a little. Oh man. Yeah, that's not looking too nice. Is it still hot? See if I can get some of this stuff off of it here. I really want to try to open it. Okay, it still opens. All right, I need to put this camera on a tripod and then we're gonna open it. Okay, so we've got the knife here. I wonder how it would look if I had it all cleaned off, but some of it definitely has melted. I wanna make sure I have you in the frame here. Okay, so we're gonna open it now. Oh, man. No, it's done. Can't open it anymore. No. It's completely melted up. See that? That's the glue. That's funny. You could see where they glued it. I should probably call them and try to get a refund. Just kidding. All right, let's do the next knife, I guess, and see what happens. All right, guys, let's go. This fire right here is about to go out, but it's still plenty hot. My favorite knife. We're gonna be dropping it in there. Let's do it. All right, 30 seconds, let's go. Pulling it out. All right, let's get a close-up of this. Okay, so here it is. Still kind of hot. I don't really want to touch it yet. So let's wait a couple more seconds and then we'll try to touch it. All right, it's cold enough that I can touch it now. It's been about like 30 seconds or something, so let's flick it open and see what happens. There we go. It still works. Yeah, I could touch it, I could close the blade. Compared with this one over here, I would definitely say that this one won. So, I guess that's it. Let's go to the outro. Alright, that's the end of this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscription. So that's it, I'm out. Oh wait, one more thing, if you're still here. YouTube says that only like 0.8% of the people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So it really means a lot to me if you would press that subscribe button. Come on, just do it.